Well, happy Saturday. Today we're going to mill some cedar. Cutting the top off the square of the top. The wife needs some cedar for the house, so we're going to make some square cants for probably 1 by 10. This cedar we got from Antlers, Oklahoma. Very beautiful, hairy, very hairy. This is it right here. We got some bigger cedar up here, 36 inches in diameter, 30 inches in diameter. We got some right there. We're going to make a lot of cookies with that for our trade show. The cedar is absolutely beautiful up here. When you cut it, it just smells amazing. And then the inside of it is almost like a reddish pink purple. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. What I'll do is I'll get a couple cuts on it, and then I'll flip it over and show y'all what I'm talking about. This is again is one of our cedar sawmills, a 48 wide. It's 49 inches in between the guides, and it's a 40-foot track on mine is. I run a little 18 horsepower motor on here because I don't need any bigger for what I'm doing. Speed up the cut. See, for what I'm doing, I don't really need any wider. Get all these first cuts off here. I like to put them on the Bobcat. We've got a gentleman in Canton that he wants them off. So typically we like to save some of our first cuts because you can just make unique cool stuff with it, but we're going to give him a bunch because he's a heck of a good Christian man, and you know, when you can help people out, it's the right thing to do. Well, anyway, just the way I believe. Help people out when you absolutely can. I'll take one more cut off here to get a better square cant. I do got to get my mill repainted. I mean, black and yellow is what I love, but she's more out here. I'll give her another, I don't know, I'll lower down an inch. Where are we at right now? 9.5. Go to 8.5. Give her a little throttle. Down a little bit. I don't even need that much gas. Probably down. Now these 18 horsepower Duramax motors, I mean, they flat out get after it. I'll put it against any motor out there, and I swear by it. And they just have torque and power. They don't run a lot of gas. I mean, just 1 gallon of gas in this tank will last me for like 10 logs. They just seriously get after it. Look, no problem whatsoever, just steer ease. Cuts as straight as can be. We out? Alright. So now, these are the boards that typically give these away. You know, we save them for some stuff, but just look how beautiful that Saturday morning cedar is. Now what I'll do is I'll flip it. I'll set this on the giveaway file. I had to clean up this morning. We've been milling a lot of lumber out here. We'll mill this hickory a little bit later. You talk about beautiful colors on the inside. That hickory is awesome. Couldn't do anything without the Bobcat. Holy cow, that saved my life. I do all the milling myself. I typically don't ask for help because I don't like to bother people. Shut that off. I typically don't like to bother people, so I do all the milling myself. I enjoy it. Listen to music. Put a radio in the back of the truck. Get a cooler full of water out here. Of course, a couple of Dr. Peppers and Mountain Dew. And just enjoy it. I'll show you what it looks like now that we got it cut. I'll roll this log again. She needs square boards. We have a trade show coming up this weekend at Canton Trade Days is where you go. We'll take a saw up there. It's a lot of fun. We have a lot of good friends up there. Take the fifth wheel up there, spend all weekend up there. But here's just the first one cut off of there. As you can tell, I'm just spitting the water on it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, well, I'm gonna flip this and then I'll get right back to you.